Hi there, mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tara Channel. Ating po reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po na nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po, Renzo Taro 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo directly dito sa ating TikTok account. And doble ingat po, hindi po ko yung una mag-message sa inyo. Kapag may nag-message po sa inyo, ay scammer po yan. Kayo lang po ang mag-message po sa akin directly. Alright? So ulitin ko, this is for you, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign, last shuffle, and wag na nating patagalin pa. Alright, Taurus, kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Right? Sorry. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 1, 2, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 3, 4, 5, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Saint Michael, give me the best cards. Last 3 cards, please, Saint Michael. 8, 9, 10. Alright. Taurus Pips, your cards are now ready. Huwag nating patagalin pa to. Sorry, medyo makati yung ilong ko. King of Swords. Alright. Taurus, it's been lately na parang medyo naguguluhan ka. There's something na gusto kong gawin pero nag-aalangan ka. Nagdududa ka or you have, parang reservations about doing that thing kasi parang natatakot, medyo you have, trust issues with something. But believe me, if you're watching this at napanood mo to, this King of Swords, the first card here, is the universe is telling you, Taurus, to push for it. Go for it. Tuloy mo na yan, gawin mo na yan. Because it will yield a positive result. Maganda magiging bunga nito. Believe me. I can feel a very positive energy with the cards here, although nakataob pa yung 9 cards. But, Taurus, kung may pag-aalangan ka pa, kung may pagdududa, may pagdadalawang isip ka pa, do it now. Gawin mo na yan. Alright? So, pangalawa. Queen of Swords. There's no point of giving up or turning back. Push mo na yan. Okay? Here. Lakasan mong loob mo. Have the confidence. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang magpapekto sa sasabihin nito. I know, Gemini, yan yung gusto, Gemini. I know, Taurus. That's what you've been dreaming of since maliit ka pa. Childhood dream mo yan. Gustong-gusto mo yan, pinangarap mo yan. Ang dami mong sinakripisyo. Magawa lang yung bagay na yan. And with the King and Queen of Swords here, the cards are very clear. Okay? Go for it. Okay? Huwag kang matakot. Ituloy mo yan. Push for it. No stopping. No turning back. Alright? Walang dahilan. Okay? Tanggalin mo yung takot mo. Tanggalin mo yung pagdududa mo. Alright? So with the King and Queen of Swords here, the cards are very clear. It will be so successful. Just take an action. Just make a way. Alright? So, grabe. 3 of Wands. Talikuran mo na. Talikuran mo na yung mga sitwasyon na matagal na ay nahihirapan ka or nagpapabigat sa damdamin mo with the 3 of Wands here. You should be ready, harapin ang katotohanan, ang reality, a new journey of your life wherein you are looking for the happiness. You are looking for the contentment. Kasi, kaya ka nagde-decide itong King and Queen of Swords, kaya may isang bagay ka na gustong gawin, pinagdidesisyon naman for a long time na sabi ko nga, ay parang nagdadalawang isip. It's because, sabi ko, hindi ka na masaya sa current situation mo. You're looking for something new, Taurus. You want to try something. You want to be free. And now, this is the best time. Talikuran mo na yan. Umalis ka na dyan. Na-compromise na yung happiness mo dito. Taurus, kailan ka ba huling ngumiti? O ngiting aso lang? Ngiting pretending to be okay? Please. Okay, I know you're looking for your happiness, Taurus. And this is the best time. Okay? Pangapat. 3 of Wands. If you do your part, Taurus, na umalis na dyan, With the Six of Wands here, victory, success is waiting for you. Sabi ko nga, uulitin ko, walang dahilan para matakot ka na umalis dyan or subukan itong bagay na ito na gusto mong gawin. Alright? Life is about taking risk, Taurus. Paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan? Pero actually, hindi ito pagsubok, I'm not saying subukan mo, but talagang gawin mo na. Kasi nasa sitwasyon ka, na nagsasawa ka na, paulit-ulit na lang yung cycle ng bigat ng nararamdaman, ng toxicity, ng unhealthy relationship, unhealthy work environment. So, look, kung susubok ka ng bago, it will be successful with the Six of Wands here. Alright? So, hindi mo malalaman kung hindi ka talaga kikilos, Taurus. Kaya no? Anong victory card pa bang hihingin mo, Taurus? Knight of Cups. Ikaw itong sundalo, ikaw itong knight. Galing ka sa isang laban. And umuwi ka, you're holding the cup. You're holding the trophy, the victory and success. Kaya na. Dalawang victory and success cards na lang magkasunod, ha? Taurus, I'm telling you. Okay. Talagang walang duda. Kaarangkada ang buhay mo, malayo pang mararating mo. But as of now, huwag kang matakot to take that risk na gusto mong gawin at nagdadalawang isip ka pa. With the Knight of Cups here, you are bound for greatness. You are bound for victory. You are bound for blessings. Alright? Wow. Taurus. Bahala ka. Nasa yung mga kamay. Nasa yung bola. Alright? Okay, before we proceed to our second row sa ating last 5 cards, sulitin ko. Pag-subscribe mo po pag di pa kayo nakasubscribe. And sa TikTok, pag di pa kayo nakafollow, paki-follow na rin po. And if you want to avail of private readings, nagtatanong paano po magpa-private reading, dito lang po sa account na to, kayo magme-message, wala nang iba. Kapag may nag-message sa inyo na ginagaya yung profile picture ko, yung mga videos ko na re-upload, tingnan nyo na lang yung dami ng followers, yan po yung legit. Alright? So, scammers po yan. Taurus, let's continue with your 6th card. Knight of Wands. You are on the right track. Tama yung iniisip mo. Tama yung gusto mong gawin. Ikaw lang ang nag-aalangan. Ikaw lang ang medyo kinakabahan at nagdadalawang isip dito. Kaya yung 3 pyramids, yun yung mga goals ng pangarap mo. And the best thing here is to take the first step. Walang mangyayari kung hindi ka kikilos. Sabi ko sa'yo, tama yung nasa isip mo, yung kutob mo. Mag-work yan. Yan yung tamang daan na tatahakin mo. Alright? So the universe will not make an option kung hindi yan ibibigay para sa'yo. With the Knight of Wands here. Okay? So please, okay, gumalaw na, kumilos na, tamang landas, tamang daan ang mapupuntahan mo dito. With the Knight of Wands. Alright? Taurus. 5 of Wands. I know, isa sa factor kung bakit nagdadalawang isip ka kasi may mga humahad lang. May mga taong nagbibigay ng opinion. May mga taong naiinggit na gustong harangin kasi they know na kapag ginawa mo yan and kapag na-survive mo yan at nag-succeed ka dyan, hindi ka na nila kayang abutin. With the 5 of Wands here, there are people behind your back, talking behind your back. Pinag-uusapan yung decision mo, ginajudge yung magiging decision mo sa buhay. Taurus. That's why ikaw, medyo nagdadalawang isip, ano ba? Tutuloy ko ba to? Alright? So ano ba? Kaya ikaw, medyo may reservations. But if you disregard these people, regardless of the opposition, regardless sa pagpigil nila or sa mga negativities na ibabato nila sa'yo, kapag ikaw buo ang puso't isipan mo, Taurus, and you're willing to take the risk, then believe me, okay, you are bound for success. May mga taong kumugulo dito. May mga taong nagtsumuchucho, umiepal dito para hindi lang matuloy ang mga plano mo dito. These are distractions. Alright, so bahala ka, Taurus, kung magpapapekto ka sa mga distractions na ito. Ang 8, napakalino ng bara. Death card, ending, rebirth. Please, talikuran mo na yan. Umalis ka na dyan. Go for the thing, for the best thing that your heart really desires. Push mo yan, please. Taurus, ako na nagsasabi. Kung may konting takot at pagdududa ka pa, tanggalin mo na yung with the death card. There will be a revolution. There will be a rebirth for you, Taurus. Malayong malayo dun sa dating ikaw, Taurus, na puno ng painful experiences, disappointments, betrayals, pagka-traitor, masakit ang naramdaman mo, ang daming tumalikod sa'yo. With the death card here, it needs to end. And with the ending comes with a new beginning. Alright? So Taurus, take the risk, take an action. Tapusin na yan, tanggalin na yan, talikuran na yan, and face the new journey of your life. There's more surprises waiting for you. Hindi hanggang dyan lang yung buhay. Alright, Taurus? Okay. Kung hindi ka alis dyan, kung hindi ka kikilos, mas lalo kang mahihirapan. Mas lalong sasakit ang ulo mo, mas lalong gugulo ang buhay mo. May-stuck ka lang sa sleepless nights. May-stuck ka lang sa puro problema at bigat ng emosyon na mararamdaman mo. Because you're not happy there. But ikaw lang naman ang nag-stay. Ikaw lang naman ang nagpapahirap sa buhay mo. Alright? May gusto kong gawin pero hindi mo pinupush. Kasi natatakot ka. Kasi nagdududa ka. Kasi nakikinig ka sa mga opinion itong mga taong sumasawsaw. Right? With the Nine of Swords here, believe me, I know, medyo mabigat. Hindi ka makatulog ng maayos. Lately, Taurus, gulong-gulo ang isipan mo. Hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo. But believe me, just calm your nerves. Okay, meditate. Ask, kausapin sa universe ang Panginoon. Believe me, all of these cards are telling you, alright, to go, to push. It's a big yes kung sa reality show. It's a big yes for me, Taurus. Alright? There's no point na pigilan mo pa yan. Tapusin natin to, Taurus, sa napakaganda mong reading with your 10th and last card out. New beginning. Kailangan mo talaga magsimula. Tanggapin ang katotohanan na sa pag-take risk, sa pagsugal na muling magsimula or sumubok ng bago ay may kapanatagan. May happiness, may contentment. There will be blessing. There will be peace of mind. Alright, Taurus? So ano pa ba? Anong paliwanag pang isasabihin ko sa'yo? All of the cards are very clear here. Meron kang gustong gawin. Natatakot ka. You have reservations. Believe me, all of the cards are saying here, go for it. This is the best time. This is the best chance for you. May pakita mo na kaya mo. Pakita mo ang galing mo. Believe me, success is waiting for you at the end. Alright? So, thank you so much mga Taurus kong soulmates sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Nasa mga kayo naroon, anong ginagawa niyo hanggang susunod nating pakikita. Maraming salamat. God bless us all.